Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, Charlie. More, one more. Big up, big up. You know what, some people get in me. Big up, Charlie. Lion. Big up, big up, big up. Bless it. Take it down, take it down. Hold on there. When you know, say everybody have to have a little daddy night business. Big up my daddy night house, you understand me? You have a fish on you. Want me to be here? Oh, the big man married now, you know, so anybody will try running, it can't work. So you say, all who try running, it can't work. Mr. Bailey, congratulations. You understand me? Everybody on a private thing, because we see it on Facebook. Suck out tongue. Why? Big up yourself. June, you did at the wedding? You did at the wedding? You was at the wedding? Hey, let me tell you something. You say you have wedding, you must have good singer wedding. But anyway, my virgin married and big up yourself. Papa, Admiral Bailey, yeah, Glendon Bailey. One of them need to marry now. Yeah. Yeah, I understand me. And the ladies they were sleeping for night and said, Big Bailey, you look good, you know, you're one of the best man, they look so good, boy, I tell you, can't get the tank now. Because the Muslim man, close fit man, some of them man a big belly, mash up the clothes looking. But anyway, when you have a wedding, you need an artist that is very capable of dealing with the situation. So the man decides, he want to edit the thing first, so we're not running around now. Ladies and gentlemen, this singer is one of the baddest singers in the island. And you have another baddest singer in the island. So two great singers under one roof tonight. The younger of the rest. This is no ordinary singer. Him say man somewhere for go. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to put your hands together and welcome to center stage. A young artist in his own rights. This is one of the artists that make me know say, yeah, Big Bailey, come we are going to fire and a bag of things. Ladies and gentlemen, all the ladies, I want to hear you scream. This is no ghost hour. This is no fairy tale. This is no nightmare. Welcome to center stage. The singing, Duppy, Mr. Carlton, Hilton is not a naming, but we Jamaican, over decades, known as the singing Duppy. Let the young ladies scream. All folks, welcome to center stage. Outside of Kingston, Jamaica. Go! Mr. Man, so put some volume on this mic, put some reverb, so put some echo, so my ladies can hear me. Wow. Mr. Music, play. Go swing.
She smiled at me under sunroof. She was with another man. I won't lose it, won't sleep on it, 'cause I got it up on my lady. You're beautiful, and you're beautiful, lady. You're beautiful. I swear in a county place, yeah, and I don't know what to do. I don't know, because I'll never be there. Jump on this, jump on this. You shoot from my eyes as we walked on, watch me. And she could see from my face that I was fucking eyes. I don't think that I see her again, but we shared the moment that we left. Yeah, yeah. Beautiful, I know, I said, in a crowded place, mama, and I don't know why. Oh yeah, 'cause I'll never, Rich. Did you know that I didn't get to rehearse with them? So if you see me do something with them that's correct, don't pay no mind. I didn't get a chance to rehearse with them, so you know? And they are bad bands. You hear them up here? Sure. You ready to give a bath? This one. And I never, I want them to remember the one here. You think I leave this side, baby? What it is, what it is? As I said before, those little babies, they take you. And I never, ever, and never gonna let you. This time, give me this time. You think I leave your side, baby? You know me better than that. Think I leave it down when you're down and you're pretty wise. I'll take you in the right when you walk. And if only you can see it so well. My baby, for my lady, when you call, I'll be there. Hold you soon. When you're lost, I'll give you any care. I will show you you're so much more. But when you're lost and you're alone, you can't get back again. I will find you, darling, I'll bring you home. And if you wanna cry, close this ear to try your eyes. No, 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 and it goes stop. You think I'll leave your side, baby? You know me better than that. Think I'll leave it down when you're down on your knees. goes through that. I said you when you're watching you walk, and if only you could sing it to my baby, my baby. I did not get to rehearse the box. You know, listen again. Me never get to rehearse the box. So whatever mistake you do, rock it in our ears. Yes. So Mr. Music. Yeah! Break it down. And then my baby sing. Take it down some more. Thank you so much. I didn't know because it's the first time here, and the way this lady's going on. When I look at you right now, you know what you're doing to me, Mr. Music. If our love was a fairy tale, I would be the name that compares to you. Are we happy to be the same? So you went out of BBC, and if you had babies, they could look like you'd be so beautiful if that you don't even know that was special. Can't believe it now. Can I hear my babies? You need me. You're everything good in my life. Leave me back. I still can't believe it's your mind. You just go up, I don't wanna ride. So leave it, but it's leaving me. And then very first speech, now let's jump to the beat. And if we had babies, they would have your eyes. All the poor people watching you give love. You don't even know how very special you are. Oh, my baby, leave me back. With everything I in my life. Leave me back. Still can't believe it's over. You just go up, I don't wanna. So leave it. Let me get a bridge. You must have been in from heaven to earth to change me. Things that I feel stronger than I believe me. Are you the only that I only deserve what you give me? But all I can do is try. Everything in my life. so much. And you know, ladies, bring it, take it down. I want to play what we'll take it down slow. Ladies, you know that we are man. And sometimes, you know, because we are man that one, we don't want to apologize. But me, listen to me. Me never apologize. Me apologize, me apologize, me apologize. Oh, listen to me. You see when me go at night, at night time I'm just sitting just, me alone and this baby. You know me, you know me, I'm going to do. So me look at me say. Same thing, but it's weird just to leave me bigger now. So much. So, listen again. Break it down, break it down, break it down, break it down. Break it down. Break it down. As you can know, ladies and gentlemen, I'm a lover. I love to do it with the females. So you see, any lovers here tonight, don't come taking photos and pictures. Which is right after you leave here. You should take your female, and female you should take your man. And you go someplace that is only 4 walls looking at you. Oh no! And you look in his eye, you look in her eyes, and you make passionate love and you tell her this. These walls keep a secret. There's only we know. And all our can they keep it? 'Cause we do lose control. We do shadow. She's boyfriend. We can't do it. All right, I'm gonna do it. Something like this. These walls keep a secret. Only we know. And oh no, and they keep it. 'Cause we do lose God. We do shadow, chasing the rainbow. Behind those windows, behind, can I get my nugget? And then we welcome. Ooh, never see I want you more. They would, yeah, never feel it. And then you will always the one part. No, break it down. So people making memories, so good today. It dissolves never when we're alive. Where we do shadow behind those windows. Ooh, never say about your mom. They would, yeah. And then you will always the one part. And you do all that still love. They would, I'm the next. Every movie, I love it. Whoa. I feel like changing. I feel like changing my mind. Don't know people, don't want to change my mind a little bit. Actually, I want to artist, I want to something man. Pinch and say I don't want to. Yeah, so, here we go. Can we get a tempo up a little bit for me, please? Mr. Music, so we can make the people have more joy. You ready, Mr. Music? Ready now? Ladies and gentlemen, watch it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going across in a project grave. Don't get started. I'm away. Mr. Belly. I don't know this part will be. You give me up. I can be up. I can call you Betty, and Betty ready. You can call me. Walk down the street, find my shoulder tension, got it. Shoulder spread the tension, oh my age is so long. Where is my life? Family, fight my God. Who is my road? Not at all. Running, you're dead. All alone, give up incidents again. Like it, alright, you give me that. I can. I can call you Betty, and Betty when you can call me. Call Shut up! Watch it. They walk down the street, she's in a strange world. Maybe it's forever. Maybe it's first time around. Doesn't speak nothing. Oh no, currency. He's a poor man now. He was around. Johnny, please stop cussing. Stop cussing, Johnny. Big up Jungle Piper. Big up the boss right here. Thank you for your welcome, Mr. Frank. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, you want a few more ghosts? Thank you so much. Come on, come on, this. No, come on. Yes. Tell me. Where are they? Wish you were here. Wish you were here. All right. Leave this in between us. And love, and love. In the connection with the darkness, hey, I can't find no peace. I wish you were. Pull up. Watch it. me there. You know, any female that wish me you there, like how me there, you know what I take on up? East side and the west side. You know it's never what I take on up? After the girls, when we push slow, when we wanna go, the body wanna know so, the couple ladies, the next. Yes, next to the time. Girl.